Reduce the pain of vaccination in babies. Baby's position. Your baby's body position during vaccination can affect how much pain your baby feels. Holding your baby upright can reduce your baby's pain during vaccinations. You can hold your baby in different ways, facing you, chest to chest, or hold your baby facing sideways. You can stand, or sit, or lean against the examination table. In all cases, providing a hugging hold and exposing your baby's limbs for the needle.
If the needle is going into your baby's arm, make sure the arm is exposed, holding it firmly but gently so that your baby won't move it. If the needle is going into your baby's thigh, make sure the thigh is exposed, bracing it gently but firmly for the needle. Baby should always be held during injections, before, during, and after the needle.
Try to avoid leaving babies on their back, held down, or without parents, as this can make them afraid, which can increase their distress during vaccinations.
And we've shown in studies that infants who are held by the mother, that there's significantly less pain. So it makes sense that you should be holding, the mother should be holding, the caregiver should be holding that infant at the time the vaccine is given.
Hold the hand.
Discuss different positioning options with your baby's healthcare provider and practice ahead of time. Try not to use too much force when holding your baby, as this can increase your baby's distress. This is one of the many ways of reducing your baby's pain during vaccinations. Don't forget to view the rest of the videos in this series. And remember, combining the different methods together will lead to even better results.